asset tagging with CRS. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply add, review, and send. With your tablet, you should receive some CRS asset tag stickers. You're going to want to place these asset tag stickers prominently in an easily accessible place on your equipment. We recommend that you place these towards the front of the equipment so they can easily be identified when needed. Please avoid putting these stickers toward the back of the equipment. Okay, to add equipment with the software, press the Add Equipment button. A screen will pop up where you can enter the number off of your ID tag. As well as the ID tag number, enter the location within your building where this piece of equipment resides. There are fields for the manufacturer, models, and all kinds of other information. It's very important you fill out as much of that information as you can on the screen. Okay, next we're going to add photos. To add the photos, simply press the front button to pull up the camera. Here we will then add a picture of the front of the unit. Then we'll take a picture of the ID tag. Get up close to the ID tag so it's easily legible. You can press on the tag on your tablet so it will be sure to focus on it. And then additionally, you can add a picture of the manufacturing plate, which will have some pertinent information. We encourage you to do so. All right, reviewing your equipment. You'll be presented with a list of all of the items that you are going to be uploading. You can scroll up and down on this list by pressing your finger on the tablet. Swiping side to side will bring up some options. To delete, you would simply hit the red trash can. If you needed to edit the information you had previously recorded, again, you can just swipe your finger across the front and choose the green pencil. This will pull the screen back up with all the fields as they were inputted. If you needed to make a change, simply touch the field that needs editing, and then you can replace the information with whatever new information you would like to put in there. Once completed, you can hit OK. The Save button will save your progress. All right, now you send this list to CRS. Sending the equipment list is easy. You'll return to the home screen by pressing the icon of 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner. That will pull a sidebar with the home icon. Press that. And then you'll be at the home where you can send equipment to CRS by pressing that button. Next, it will prompt you to enter your information, login information, including your username and also the password that you're using for your account. After you've entered that information, you simply press the login button and a list of stores will appear that may be pertinent to your account. Choose the store and then click Submit Data to CRS and you're done.